Welcome to Sharadvi More English School online lecture. Good morning, student. Now, yes, study we have completed the question simplification. Now is question number 7. We have to complete multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. Okay, question number 7. So let's see the solution of the question number 7. कि how to multiply and write the it into the simplest form. उसको simplest form में भी कैसे लिखना है. Okay. Okay, now yes, students, see the question number 2. Question number 2. 3 under root 12 into 7 under root 15. Okay, so here we have to multiply this number with this number. Now see its solution. Okay, its solution 3 into, now yes, 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into 7 and 15 can be written as 3 5 is 15. Okay, so now okay, now see 3 into, now yes, 4 is the square root of 4 is the square of 2, that's why 2 will come out, 2 क्या हो जाएगा, बाहर आ जाएगा, and what will left in radical sign 3 and here 7. Okay, and here 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5. So here, because 3 as well as 5 are not the perfect square, they will remain in the radical sign. वो radical sign के अंदर ही रहेंगे. So now you see, collect the numbers which are outside of the radical sign. So here 3 into 2 into 7. Now you see 3 under root 3 into under root 3 into 5. So here under root 3. Okay, and this under root 3, this can be written as under root 3 into under root 5. Okay, so now 3 into 2 into 7 into, now this 3 into 3, when we multiply under root 3 into 3, this will become yes 3 into 3, and this yes forms the pair, and that's why it come out from the yes radical sign as 3. जब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दो बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं अंडर रूट थ्री का, तो क्या हो जाता है, वो क्या बन जाता है, 3 बन जाता है. ओके, so now you see here, so this under root 3 will form 3, and here under root 5 will remain. So now yes, multiply all the numbers which are outside of this radical sign. 3 2 is 6. Okay, 6 7 is 42. 42 into 3. Okay, 42 into 3. So 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. So here you will get 126 and under root 5. It's clear now. क्या किया इसके लिए हम लोगों ने, yes, first we found the factor of the 12, and factor of the 12 written as 4 into 3, okay, into 7. Now factor of 5 is written as 3 into 5. Now yes, here we have taken the square root of the 4, so here we got the 2, and yes, 3 is not perfect square, that's why 3 will remain in the radical sign, and here 7 into, now yes, 3 into 5. So now yes, collect the all the terms which are outside of the radical sign. Now here 3, 2 and 7. Okay, now yes, collect, write down, yes, 3 under root 3 as under root 3 into 5. Okay, in the different radical sign but keeping the order same. Now see, when we multiply under root 3 this become 3, because you see the explanation of it, how it become 3, कैसे वो 3 हो गया, देखो here under root 3 into under root 3 means, yes, you can write down in the same radical sign as 3 into 3, and the order of surd is 2 here. That's why we have to make the pair of the, yes, same numbers which contain the two same numbers. So here there is two same number 3, that's why I have taken the 3 as a, yes, it's a square root. Now yes, third one.
आपने 1 बजे का लेक्चर आ जाना वो पोस्टपोन करना है। लास्ट टाइम फ्राइडे के नए दिन रहना से डाल था, तो सर ने बोले थे कि मतलब लेट का रखने का, फ्राइडे के दिन 1 बजे का नहीं रखने का। तभी कॉल आ रहा था बच्चों का, तो वापस से आशिम सर को बोलना पड़ेगा। आप क्या करो, वो लेक्चर पोस्टपोन कर दो।
नहीं, अभी कितने
1
बजे
बजे
से
का लेक्चर
सुनो
है
ना,
ना।
12:50 से है।
हाँ, तो पोस्टपोन करने
तो
बोले,
डेढ़
बच्चों का
बजे
फ़ोन आ रहा है, वो अटेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे। 1:30 बजे तक के कैसे अटेंड करेंगे, नमाज रहेगी। तो बोल रहे थे फ्राइडे के दिन को लेक्चर लेट का रखने का, मतलब मेरा लेक्चर होएगा ना उसके बाद का रखो।
बीच में गैप है क्या?
नहीं, बीच में तो गैप नहीं है। मतलब मेरे के बाद मेरा जो लास्ट लेक्चर है 4:50 को खत्म होएगा, उसके बाद रखो, ऐसा बोला। आप कर लीजिए।
Okay, understood. Now see the question number 3. 3 देखो स्टूडेंट, 3 under root 8 into under root 5. Okay, ये दोनों को क्या करना है, हम लोगों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, now तो here what you will do, yes, first you will find out the factor. यहाँ factor find out करोगे, तो now let's see how you will find the factor of it. कैसे उसका factor find out करोगे. Okay, now yes, see solution. 3 under root 8 into under root 5, so this is equals to 3. Now yes, 4 2s are 8, okay, into under root 5, so this is equals to 3. Now yes, the 4 is square of 2, that's why yes 2 will come out. दो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 इसमें से आ जाएगा, बिकॉज 4 का किसका स्क्वायर है, 2 का, तो 2 इसका स्क्वायर रूट है. नाउ यस व्हाट विल लेफ्ट इनसाइड, अंडर रूट 2 अंडर रूट 5. ओके, नाउ 3 2 जा 6, आउटसाइड के नंबर को क्या किया हमने, मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. तो क्या बचा हम लोगों के पास यहाँ पे, यस, अंडर रूट 2 और अंडर रूट 5, तो इन दोनों को भी क्या करेंगे, सेम रेडिकल साइन के अंडर लिखेंगे. तो दिस विल गिव यू 6 इंटू अंडर रूट 10. अंडरस्टूड, 6 into under root 10. So here generally we do not write the multiplication sign, so here 6 under root 10. It's clear now. Okay, now see the last question. Last question देखो उसका, और किसी को डाउट्स है क्या इसमें कुछ? Okay, now you see the fourth one. Okay, fourth question, 5 under root 8 into 2 under root 8. Now its solution. Okay, so here 5 under root 8 into 2 under root 8. So yes, there are 5 and 2 outside of these brackets into, now yes, under root 8 into this under root 8. So yes, here is what you will get. Now yes, 8 into 8. Now order of surd is 2. So here 8 will come out. Okay, क्या होगा इधर, 8 बाहर आ जाएगा. Okay, now so yes, here it will come out. So here you will get 5 2s are 10. 10 into 8. 10 into 8 is equals to 80. Okay, it's clear now. Clear हो गया. Okay, now see the next question. Divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Question number 8. Okay, divide and write answer in the simplest form. Okay, so now see the first question. Under root 98 divided by under root 2. Okay, now see its solution. Under root 98 divided by under root 2. So this is equals to under root 98 upon under root 2. Okay, तो first you have to write down in this form. इस फॉर्म में पहले लिखना है आपको. Now again this is equals to, now find out the factor of 98 and take yes under the same radical sign. Here order of these two sets are same. Here order is 2. Here also order is 2. So here we can write down as 98 upon 2. What we can write down? 98 upon 2.